Welcome all to my channel. My name is Vijendra. So last three videos you have seen how to pick the stock for intraday before a day. Okay. And you identify the pattern and you pick the stock. And in the second video, you learn how to trade that stock during a intraday. And the third video is a scanner video, so it will help you to find a stock prior a day. And from today there are continuation of the videos which I took the trade, or you can say I just watching the trade exactly what is happening or not. Even in my Telegram channel I am keep on updating, so what trade I am taking. Okay, sometimes I don't update, but if I find any good trade, I definitely try to update. The best part of the strategy or the stock selection of ORB and the first candle logic is that you will not end it up in the loss. Okay, some around you will end it in the cost to cost. So you don't believe, just see. I have taken my trade from this week. Okay, first trade is on Monday. Okay, 12th of April. I have taken a sell of 80 quantity. Okay, so why I have sell it, just we will come in the chart. Okay, okay, on 12th of April I have sell the pill. So why I sell it, even on 9th of April I have taken a sell somewhere around here. Okay, it's the sell confirm with the second candle immediate break, sell confirm. It's, I thought it's a pullback. Okay, then it's going down and down. Then I mark two more candles, that is 11:45 and 12. Okay, 11:45 and 12. Okay, once this stocks going up, I thought it will not sustain, it will go down and down, but it's not happen. You see two big candles immediately made. Okay, and hit my I have taken a MIS quantity, so it's not hit my stop loss, you can say. But then I realize, oh my god, this the ORB means again opening range breakout, two confirmation also there, 12 p.m. candle also turning red, turning uh green means for a buy. So I thought it's maybe a buy. So when it's again down here, immediately given a small pullback, I thought I will take a buy here, but it again my decision went wrong and closed somewhere around. So this is opportunity I got. Okay, first of all, it is a sell on a daily candle. I have realized, okay, first five candles logic, I realize it is sell confirm and pullback is happening. So it will be a sell on 9th of April, but it didn't happen. But candle close inside, it's a consolidation day for us. So next day I will definitely trade, and I have make my mind that I will sell the pill. But what happened, gap down happened on the 12th of April. Every stocks are red, but I am finding this opportunity, I find here, so I mark second candle. And when it's turning for buy, I took a risky counter trade only for 10 rupees stop loss. I take it because yesterday it's where around 5k loss, so I don't want ending up or more losses, so I just take 10 point SL here. And then I take a risky trade, and immediately once this candle break, second candle immediately break for first candle, so I mark second candle, and this third candle is going for a buy. Okay, but you see, buy is confirmed, but the candle is not close. Means 20.20% is break there, but 0.10% close is not there. Okay, so how I will take that 0.20%? So you can calculate. You okay? It's 0.20 break, 0.10% close is not there. So I have my decision. I got a confident. I beyond that trade, and then I have booked somewhere around here. This candle 1 2 here around 1258. I have book around and book 6K profit. I took 80 quantity only. You see here, you can see this is the 80 quantity. Some is 80. Around time also is there 9:56. So 9:56 means this candle is getting close. So I believe it will not close, and same happen. It is not closing. 0.10% close is not happening. I be on the trade and exit around 12.5 here. 12.5. So this candle 12.5, I exit around somewhere here. Okay, then it's move up, then it's again went 1250. Then here is the second opportunity actually. Both candle marking buy is not confirmed. Again it went down, and that day pale hit a lower circuit here, but I already made a good profit, so I have not taken another trade for the day. And one more logic is of taking this trade. I have two confirmation basically, three confirmation basically. First is this candle close inside. So first is this. Second, my daily candle also showing buy, and third, this buy is not confirmed. And fourth one confirmation is here. That S3 is the okay. The candles are below S3 level. So if it is below S3 level, I never buy that stock. So I got much confidence to take this trade and taken the trade and ride beautifully. Okay, pale trade. The second one on we become only one trade taken on 12th of May. Then again 13th May I had to three trade. You see Tata Consumer, HDFC Life, Berger Paint only for buy. So this is on daily candle. The both Berger Paint is not confirmed daily sell or buy on 13 after on 13th of April, but on 14 it is confirmed it's a buy. See Berger, we will come, we will see in the chart Berger Paint what is showing daily candles. I will close this 1 second. Okay, what is showing here? Daily candles. I take 19 to after 19 5 candles. So 1 2 3 4 5. So this and this. See, still, oh sorry, still buy and sell is not confirmed here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, it's not confirmed. Close is also not there. Okay, and here also close is not there. So I think tomorrow also Berger Paint will go up. Okay, why I'm saying this? Let's see. Okay, I will removing all the indicators. See, it's closing inside. See, it's closing inside. It's a consolidation day, and yesterday on 13th of April also close inside. See, and on 12th of also close inside. So breakup has to be there. One-sided direction has to be there in Berger Paint. So either it will a downside or a sell side, but definitely a movement will come. Okay, so whenever you got the opportunity, you just trade it. Maybe if tomorrow it opens gap up, it will take to a support around this level and may fly. Okay, so opportunity will there. Consolidation going on last 3 days. So might there is an opportunity for tomorrow. Let's see if I find the trade, I will share on the group. Today I have shared for a good sale. I thought today it will went down, but it will not happen. Okay, it will not happen. We will discuss on 13th of April trade. See, beautiful trade. ORB confirm, second confirm, a good pullback also there, but it went. This candle close inside, and I know I have to exit cost to cost, but I have taken the trade somewhere around here. Okay, so there is no much opportunity here, so I waited. It's going down, but I waited. I know it will come up to close the cost to cost, and here this candle cost to cost. I have not exited. The cost to cost is another story. See, I have not exited cost to cost. I have buy it at 731 and sell it 724. So I am not, and it is 150 quantity. I am, so though here an opportunity to exit cost to cost, but I have not exited and ended in the loss. Similarly, Tata Consumer also same. Tata Consumer also same. I took a trade, nice opportunity. You can see buy over, confirm. Good pullback around this level. I somewhere bought. You can see I have bought around 1020. So this 1020, 1015. So 1020. This level I somewhere buy around. See consolidation. This candle close inside, went down, given opportunity to exit cost to cost. I have not exited, end up in the losses. Okay, but there is an opportunity to close your trade at cost to cost. HDFC Life is a good trade. HDFC Life is a good trade. Though I took a time to close this trade very patiently. I have to we have to do this trading. So look what happened. It's closing inside. So I took a trade. ORB confirm. Okay, pullback is not there, but still I buy around 700 level. Why? See, this is above R3 level, hence I buy it. It's above R3 level, hence I buy, decide to buy. Long consolidation is going on, and then 710 is a high, and I close around 706. Okay, close around 706 level here somewhere around. I close it this candle 706. Okay, so today I also taken a trade. Let me show you. See, I have taken Bharat Forge buy at 10 o'clock. Okay, add 150. First taken 200 quantity, then added at 150 quantity more. Okay, to just average it, because this time I buy at 582 and then I bought at 569. Then average is come around 576 and I close around 576, small loss. Okay, I will see my position here 722. This was somewhere around 4200 300 loss when I take a position, but I waited patiently. If a trade going wrong, no problem, it will give an opportunity to end up in cost to cost or a small losses. Okay, see the chart. Bharat Forge is a good buy in a daily candle. It's a buy confirmed daily candle. Okay, when I will that put EMA later once first. Here, see ORB confirm, it's close inside it. See, this close is somewhere around inside. Higher high broken, or lower low was not broken. So I think this was a strong support, But what happened? ORB confirm. I thought this candle is not, if you calculate, first ORB is confirmed, but second candle need to be close and break and close. So what is the break? 580 to 92, 580 to 92.20% is my break. So 581 is there. As you can see 581. So break is not there. 581.73 should be there. 1 second. 580 to 90 minus 20%. So 581.73 break should be there. So it's 90, it's not break. So I thought it is not broken. So here from the stock will move upward, because the strong support also taken here. See, strong support also taken there. I thought it will went upside, but it didn't happen what I wanted. So third candle confirm all the same thing. So I thought now the pullback come, I will exit in the cost to cost. But what happened? You see the red candle, red candle, red candle. This one, see, I bought around somewhere bought around somewhere 580 to 35, 152 quantity, and then added 569 quantity. Still it went down around 559. Okay, 559. My average price was around 577 rupees, and it went down 550, 560. You can see, and I have now 350 quantity. So 350 is, see, around 5,950 losses are showing. But I waited up patiently and ended up in cost to cost scenario. So why I waited? Okay, simple reason is there. So actually why I'm making this video, so you get a clear idea on what basis I am taking a trade and why I'm holding the trade, how I waiting patiently. See here, I am expecting it will went up. Okay, but it didn't happen. Then I thought it here, from here it will went up, it didn't happen. So basically there was no pullback. Okay, it going down, 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 down. Okay, still there is a no pullback. So in my mind there was a pullback, it could pullback will come. But what happened, if I switch EMI R3, it's went below S3 level. So in my doubt, so in my mind I thought fear key is below S3 level, so it will gone again down level. So what I did is simple, I taken a 1 hour candle and mark support here. Taken a line and mark support here. You see around this line here, this zone. See this zone, taken a support. Okay, so I mark. So I, in my mind it will come around this level and jump it, and same happen is hourly candle and same happen. So I be on the trade. Okay, and you can see also I waited once is opening, it's going down, going up actually. Then what happened? EMA R3, see this candle close below below S3. So it's a relief for me. It's closing below S3. So I thought it will went slightly move, but it didn't happen. But unfortunately, not bad also happened. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. This candle. This is our 11:45 12 candle. See, neither buy confirm, neither sell confirm. Buy confirm somewhere around here on the last candle. So it didn't want like this, but fine. So still anything you trade gone wrong, don't worry. There was no pullback. So one pullback was there. So hourly candle mark some level where you find where there is a good support. So this support, suppose this candle close around this 556, again 555, 556, I have exited the trade. I am not, because this is a strong support also broken, so might it went down more down, but not happen. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. You hope this session might you find confusing or good, I don't know, just comment it about it. So basically I will share you, I will try to share you the daily video why I've taken that stocks and why I'm beyond the stock. So tomorrow there are few that, like I told you, one stock, Berger Paint is a good for tomorrow. HDFC is good for tomorrow. Okay, so if I find any opportunity, I will share and I will trade and I will share the video. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please share it.